Did you record the whole screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, and then in the center, the gold in there. 4, 2. Okay.
Go. Yeah.
Oh, it's good. It's going to be dark soon. Okay.
And click inside. Yeah.
Huh?
Our players need to be close to the.
What does that mean?
Okay, wait. Okay, click again.
Okay. Oh yeah! Check it out.
Later we'll throw things to come out.
Okay.
Zombie pigman!
What's that? Should I kill him?
Yeah.
Oh my god, somebody's killed me. Oh shit. Why there's those kind of things everywhere?
Zombie pig.
Damn.
Run.
Oh, I'm dead. What should I do? But they will throw out the gold.